What's happening? What it is? What it do? Welcome back to a brand new episode of Money Mix TV. You see that skew?
You've never seen
You see the box? Without further ado, let's get it, man.
Say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple meal, poker face on.
So today, the thing we looking at, fresh up out that Bizarre. That's a box for people that don't know the slang term that we use. Fresh up out that Bizarre is Candy Cane Fire Red, whatever you want to call these things. Jordan 9. Yes, sir. Do you understand me? But anyway, yeah, we got these hot grits coming fresh about that Bizarre. Let me step back, get everything right. Give y'all a good look at the Jordan Retro 9. I said Jordan Retro 9, Candy Cane, Fire Red, Chicago Bull, home jersey, whatever you want to call these. Let's get it. So jumping straight into these things, we got Jordan in red on that Tizon, which is the tongue. Right behind it is a black patch that goes over the red that follows with the upper of the tongue. Rest of the tongue is in that white, rope laces as well and right. Eyelids are in black on the side of the shoe. Standard cow ass leather follows the rest of the upper of the shoe. Then taking another step back, we got that patent leather upper accents or midsole accents that go throughout the rest of these things. You dig? Then take a look at the back. We got the glow with Jumpman in red. 2-3 stitched in on that back end in white as well. An all black sock liner. Jumpman is in red on these guys and the inside. So just want to let y'all know about that as well, that liner on the shoe. Then following off, we have an all white outsole. For y'all that don't know about that outsole, just take a few minutes, Google, do your homework, and you will understand the story on the outsole of these Retro 9s. And take a look at the opposite one as well. You see the outsole, different languages. You probably already kind of understand what the outsole represents. Then take a look at that bottom. I don't even know. Like somebody tried this one on. But I'm giving y'all the real. Jumpman is in black on that outsole. Jumpman is in black on that midsole accent. So I done gave y'all a good, quick look, early look at these Retro 9 things. This is the time where you leave your thoughts, comments, and opinions below. You're going after them, sleeping on them, thinking they're going to hit the outlet, and they're not going to do nothing. Let your boy know down below. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, man, I definitely appreciate it, man. Your boy is continuing to try to come with early, good, quick reviews for you guys, just to let the consumer know if they want to cop or drop. You dig? Also, drop a like if you never dropped a like, man. I do appreciate things like that, man. But like your boy Sneakerhead Money Mix tell you, at the end of the day, make sure each and every last one of y'all like what you rock and rock what you like. It's been your boy screaming, gang gang. I'm out.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on